Gardener Allie here in the Haynes garden. Today, we're going to look for signs of fall in the garden. Come along and let's see what we can find. Did you notice what I was just picking up in the garden? Do you know what this is? If you said a pine cone, you're right. There are lots of pine cones on the ground underneath the pine trees in our garden. Finding pine cones on the ground is a sign of fall. In the fall, the trees drop the pine cones. Let's see what else we can find. Here's a sign of fall that you might be seeing all around you. What do you notice on the ground? I see a lot of leaves that have fallen off trees, and they're all different colors. I see reds and yellow and some orange and some brown. So finding leaves on the ground that have changed color is a sign of fall. Right outside the garden in the playground, there are lots more leaves on the ground. If we look up, what do you think we'll find? We have a big tree with lots of different colored leaves. What colors do you see? It's almost hard to tell. There's some green and yellow and orange. So trees like this with yellow and orange and red leaves is a sign of fall. Here's another sign of fall. I'm looking at the leaves on this plant. What do you notice about them? What color are they? I see brown, and when I touch them, maybe you can hear that, they're really crumbly. They break off in my hand. These are brown dead leaves that are still on the plant. But it probably got too cold for the leaves because the weather gets colder in the fall, and so that part of the plant died. So finding dead brown leaves on the plant is a sign of fall. Here are some flowers in the garden, but what I'm most interested in is what's inside the flower. Let's take a closer look. Here's a view of the flower up close. What colors do you see? I see pink and white, and then in the middle I also see some brown. What do you think that brown part is? Let's look a little more closely. I'm going to pull that part out. Let's see up close. What do you think that is? Let's look at a little bit more. What is that part of the plant? If you said seeds, you're right. There's a close-up view of one seed. This flower is called a straw flower. And so that one seed would grow a new straw flower plant. When we zoom out again, we can see all the seeds. That one flower has so many seeds. In the fall, a lot of plants make seeds. They created flowers in the summer, and in the fall, seeds come from the flowers. Each of these seeds could grow a new plant. Finding seeds in the garden is a sign of fall. Let's take a closer look at all the different signs of fall that we found in the Haynes garden. First, we found the pine cones. Next, we found the red, orange, and yellow leaves. After that, we found the dry brown leaves. And finally, we found the seeds. These are all signs of fall in the garden. Thanks for coming along to find signs of fall in the garden. I wonder if you can find any of these signs of fall near your home. Maybe you already have. I bet you can find some different ones too. I can't wait to hear about it. See you again soon. Bye.